Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the watch in a case holder and removing the strap if it blocks access. Once done, pull the crown to the first or second detent depending on design so the stem is engaged. Make sure to work over a soft mat to catch tiny parts and use a loop or 1 magnifier. You'll need fine tweezers and a small screwdriver. Prepare them now and orient the watch so the crown faces you for the next step. Next, locate the stem release, often a tiny screw or recessed button near the movement. Once located, press the release gently with a sharpened peg or screwdriver while you pull the crown and stem straight out. Avoid twisting because the stem and gears can bend. If the release is external, set the crown to the correct detent so the release engages. Make sure your fingers are steady and you support the movement to prevent shifting during Finally, withdraw the stem fully and place it in anti-static foam or a labeled parts tray to avoid loss. Inspect the stem for bends, wear at the winding crown end, and check the keyless works for damaged teeth or a loose crown tube. Replacing damaged parts prevents repeat failure. If the stem binds, repeat the release depression and gently ease it out. Do not force. If it remains stuck or components seem damaged, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.